The briefing is on a project we are implementing in 3 states: Anambra, Enugu, and Kaduna states. The name of the project is the V2P project. V2P means Voice to the People project, and the overarching aim of the project is to empower the poor and the marginalized to be able to hold duty bearers to account. The idea behind it is to be able to improve service delivery. And the project has 4 thematic focus. There are 4 thematics: education, health, agriculture, and infrastructure. Today's briefing is centered on the state of infrastructure in the 2 geopolitical zones where these projects are implemented. For instance, Anambra and Enugu that are part of the focal states, they are in the southeast, while Kaduna is in the northwest. So what we have done today is to look at the level of infrastructural development in the 2 states. And from our findings, it is clear that even though the level of infrastructure is at a very low ebb in Nigeria, what we saw in these 2 states are very worrisome. Worrisome because of what infrastructure holds for the development of any nation. And we have seen very clearly that roads, especially the Onitsha-Enugu road, is in a terrible state. The Enugu Bula for Trukor road is also in a bad state. The Enugu-Port Harcourt road is also not good. It's nothing to write home about. And the same thing is happening in the northwest, where we have Kaduna. But some reprieve is coming to Kaduna because of the anticipated diversion of flights to Kaduna Airport from Abuja. You know, the Niger Azikiwe bypass is not being constructed now. The Bereningwari Road, which over the years has been a haven for armed robbery, is now taking some facelift because of some of these issues, because this government has started working on it. But generally speaking, we as a center, we are not happy with the level of infrastructural development in Nigeria. And infrastructure is very critical for our growth as a nation. So much so that in projecting that Nigeria wants to be one of the most industrialized countries in the world by the year 2020, our GDP needs to be up by $900 billion. $900 billion. And all of these cannot happen without adequate infrastructure. Why is infrastructure necessary? If after producing, you don't have access to market, your GDP will also be impacted upon. And you cannot get that GDP, the estimated GDP of 900 billion, without having good road networks, good electricity that will make citizens to be much more productive. So if those things are not there, then there is a challenge. And that is why we are raising this issue so that government can take action and fix the nation's infrastructure.